Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you two methods to zoom in or zoom out in Google Docs. So for example, we have here this document. If you would like to zoom in this text, you need to press and hold Ctrl on your keyboard, and then you need to scroll up on your mouse to zoom in. How you see, it really works, and the document is being zoomed in. If you would like to zoom out, you need to press and hold Ctrl, and you need to scroll down on your mouse. After that, it will be zoomed out. So it is the first method. The second method is really simple too. If you want to use it, you need to move your cursor to the left upper corner and you need to click on this icon. How you see, on default it is set to 100. You need to click on it and then you will be able to select one from available values. If you want to zoom in, you need to select, for example, 200 value. I click on it and how you see, it has been successfully zoomed in. If you want to zoom out, you need to click on this one option again. And for example, I click here on 50. After that, it will be zoomed out. Alternatively, you can try to type here your own value. For example, I click somewhere here and I type here maybe 180% and I click enter button. After that, zoom settings should be successfully changed to this value. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.